Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to build a Replit app in 5 minutes. So what you have to do, for example, first of all, you have to go to replit.com website and you have to sign up with your account. Once you're signed up and signed in with your account, then all you have to do is create REPL. Click on it. From here you have to click on create with Replit agent. Now you have to give a prompt, any prompt. For example, I will type, I want to make a clean looking, very beautiful, modern looking chess app. And then you have to hit start building. It will show you an overview. You have to approve the plan and click on start. Now this page will open. You will see a bunch of coding. The agent has created some coding for you. All you have to do is click on the run button, or you can hit Ctrl enter. So I will click on the run. Now let's see if our app is working or not. As you can see, there's a chess game for me. You can play it with friends, you can do whatever you want, and that's how you can build a Replit app in 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.